If your business uses WhatsApp to communicate with customers, it's important to understand the new WhatsApp API rates that are effective from the 1st of June this year and how they affect your business. Let's start with the basics. WhatsApp API rates are charged per conversations, which includes all messages delivered in a 24-hour session. We like to call this a customer care window. When a template message is delivered, it results in a conversation charge. And the conversation prices vary depending on the user's country code. So what are template messages? Template messages are pre-approved messages that businesses can use to communicate with their customers. And these template messages are divided into 4 categories. Firstly, utility messages are for business-initiated conversations related to a transaction. Secondly, authentication messages are for one-time passcodes during the login process. Thirdly, marketing messages are for promoting products and services. Lastly, service messages are initiated by the user to resolve a customer inquiry. This conversation will only be charged when a business responds to the user message. Remember, a template message will always result in a conversation charge, unless it's sent in an active conversation of the same category. For example, if you send a utility template during a service conversation, it will open a separate utility conversation for 24 hours. But here's the good news. Each WhatsApp business account gets 1,000 free tier service conversations every month. If you have multiple numbers linked to your account, the 1,000 free tier conversations are shared between them. And if a customer messages you via a click to WhatsApp ad or Facebook page call to action button, the customer care window is extended to 72 hours, and all template messages sent during this time are free. To help control your WhatsApp API calls, make sure you respond to customer inquiries within 24 hours. And try to avoid sending 2 types of template messages in one window. Instead, you can just type out the message. And don't forget to take advantage of the free entry points conversations. Hope these tips help you control the messaging cost better. And if you wish to learn more about WhatsApp Business API, reach out to us anytime.